They can't run from it anymore. The guilt is eating them alive. What they did to you is not something they can casually forget. No, it lingers, haunting them in the still of the night, echoing through their conscience. That voice in their head keeps whispering, "You wronged someone who didn't deserve it. You betrayed them, you hurt them. And now, the price must be paid." What goes around doesn't just come around. It returns multiplied. They sowed seeds of destruction, and now their own world is crumbling under the weight of that harvest. They thought they'd hurt you and walk away unscathed, but the universe doesn't forget. No debt goes unpaid. They're restless. No matter how much they smile in public, behind closed doors they are tormented. Every stolen blessing, every dishonest move, every manipulative whisper, it all returns to them in waves. Even people around them see through their mask. Their lies are no longer hidden. Their corruption is no longer veiled. They thought no one would speak up, but now voices are rising. People are starting to talk. Truth is emerging, and instead of isolating you, what they did has rallied support around you. Like in the movies, when the villain tries to break the hero but ends up building them instead. You may have cried. You may have asked, "Why me?" But look again, those tears were not in vain. They watered your roots. They deepened your faith. They built something unshakable inside you. Now it's your time to rise, not in revenge, but in divine justice. They tried to rob you of your rightful place. They wanted the spotlight that was meant for you. But they didn't realize you are the chosen one. You are favored. And what is written for you cannot be erased by their schemes. Let them watch as everything they tried to take from you is returned tenfold. Let them sit in silence as doors open for you that they tried to close. What they thought would be your end is becoming your elevation. Their guilt is their punishment. You don't have to fight dirty or seek revenge. The laws of heaven and earth are already at work. Call it karma. Call it divine rebalancing. Whatever you call it, know this. It's justice, and it's happening right now. There is a spiritual echo in the universe. You send out darkness and it comes back darker. They threw curses, but they only cursed themselves. They plotted downfall, but they dug their own pit. They broke trust, and now no one trusts them. You are being vindicated. Slowly but surely, everything is aligning in your favor. The whispers, the lies, the sabotage, it's all falling apart. Their story is unraveling. Yours is unfolding, and it's beautiful. The very people who mocked you are now speechless. The ones who doubted you, watching from the sidelines. The ones who tried to break you, realizing they only made you stronger. And that strength is something they can never steal. You are stepping into your light, and that light reveals everything. It shows your scars, your strength, your journey, and it exposes their shadows. They tried to play God in your life, but the real judge is still on the throne. You will win, not because of spite, but because of purpose. You were designed for this. They tried to write you off, but the ink ran dry. They tried to bury you, but didn't realize you were a seed. Their plans are backfiring. What they did to destroy your name is now clearing the way for your promotion. People who were silent are now speaking on your behalf. Support is coming from unexpected places. If you feel tired, keep going. If you feel wounded, remember wounds heal. If you feel alone, understand. Heaven is backing you. You are not losing. This is your transformation. It hurts now, but joy is coming. Don't let their wickedness make you bitter. Let it make you better. Don't return evil for evil. Return silence for slander. Return excellence for envy. You are rising with grace, and grace is more powerful than revenge. You are not in the bucket they're trying to pull you down into. You've already left that bucket. They are stuck in cycles of competition and comparison. You're in a lane of your own, and your lane leads to legacy. There will be a day when you'll look back and smile, not because it didn't hurt, but because it didn't break you. You'll realize that everything worked together for your good. The darkness made you appreciate the light even more. Your enemies have already lost. You don't need to curse them, just keep shining. The guilt, the exposure, the unraveling, they're already paying the price. Keep your eyes on the finish line. You're almost there.